By way of a case study on the regulatory role of owners and managers of brothels and rented rooms for prostitution, this study focuses on the strategies deployed by a municipality to govern these intermediaries. The analysis is based on a typology of responsibilization distinguishing between who the responsible should govern, themselves or others, and forms of power, repressive or facilitative. The regulator concomitantly renders these entrepreneurs responsible for their own possible criminal conduct, self-governing, and empowers them to keep out traffickers and pimps and to control sex workers, others governing. Moreover, the municipality applies both repressive and facilitative power.